Today, I'm teaching you how to crop an image in Photoshop. There's a couple ways to do it. My favorite method is using the magic wand tool, selecting what it is that you want to select and remove, holding shift and then left clicking again to cover more of the area until you get a perfect crop. So let's say you can't get a perfect crop. What's your other methods? Well, my main other method is using the polygonal lasso tool, which is this one right over here. So if I go ahead and zoom into this holding Alt on my keyboard and the middle click scroll wheel on my mouse, I can then zoom in. I would then select the four corners. And after doing that, I would press Control C, then Control V on my keyboard to then paste a separated layer to the background image. Then what I'll do is hide the background image and just have the layer in the middle. Just like that, we have a perfectly cropped image. So obviously it'll get harder if it's more organic. So I would use a mixture of these two to get your cropping done. If this was helpful, consider subscribing and leaving a like.